In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the cabin air filter on this Honda Accord, located right behind your glove box right here. Let's get started. First, open up the glove box. If you have any items in here, remove them. If not, push in on the sides. That should allow the glove box to drop down. With it drop down, you'll see this cover here that has two tabs, one on each end. You'll have to pry them in. There's one and the other one. Once you pry those, this should slide straight out. It's basically a tray, and that tray will contain your cabin air filter. Push the filter straight up and out of the tray. Take the new one and place it down in the same orientation that the old one came in. Most filters will have an arrow, or it'll say airflow next to the arrow. This should be facing down because the air is coming from the top being pulled down. Insert the tray back in here. If you had a lot of leaves or other debris, clean it out with a vacuum. Press this until it clicks and make sure it's nicely secured, and then close up your glove box. There you go, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.